Hey, what's up? It's IT guy Sav with yet another IT video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 15 Plus. Check it out. Yep, it's the iPhone 15 Plus, and as you know with Apple products, you have to pull the arrow on the top towards your right and the arrow at the bottom. And of course, they've clearly specified what's included is the iPhone 15 Plus and the USB-C charge cable, power adapter, and headphones sold separately. Okay then, so now for the fun part is the unboxing. Oh, wow, this is awesome. I love iPhone unboxings, they never get old. All right, so let's look at it. Okay, wow, look at that, folks. Look at that. Oh, wow, look at that. I think this is so much better than the iPhone 14 Plus. I have the 14 Plus, which I'm actually filming on. But look at this. Look at this. I'm trying to get the right angles and, with the light. And I just love the back. Look at that. It feels so smooth. Oh, wow. I think it's made of titanium. But it's amazing. The feel of it is just wow. All right. Beautiful iPhone 15 Plus. Oh, wow, look at the sound. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. ASMR for you. Shiny, slim, and absolute piece of art. I have to say, this is the most beautiful piece of art I've seen today. Beautiful, beautiful. It just feels so good, so much better than I don't even feel like putting a cover on it because it feels so nice and it feels velvety. That's what it feels like, but it's good. Love it. Okay, hola. Hello. Perfect. Alrighty, let's see what else is in the box. So this is USB-C to USB-C cable. And as I said, they're not going to provide a power adapter. You have to have one already. Okay, so that's what you see here. Is it going to come with those Apple stickers? I don't know. Let's see what's in this. You're looking for the Apple stickers. Oh yeah, look at that. It's one of my favorites. Woo woo, nothing. Hello. This is the Apple iPhone 15 Plus. And thank you for buying me. And I promise to make all the calls and send all the text messages and receive all the text messages. Thank you. And I promise to be a good phone, okay? Okay. Thank you, Apple. Beautiful sticker. Is it? All right. So, is this a second sticker? I think it's just one sticker. I'm happy with that. I love Apple stickers. I have a whole bunch of them. And that seems pretty much it for the unboxing. And that's about it. Seems like the iPhone unboxings are getting a lot quicker with each iPhone release. Anyway, folks, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is a beautiful phone, as you can see. It's so sleek. And I love how cool this phone looks. I think it looks a lot better with the cover, but I have to have a cover and a screen protector so that it doesn't fall off and break or shatter the screen or get bent. The only things can happen to a sleek device like this, which is beautiful and expensive as well. My next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a screen protector and a phone case for this phone. If you want to watch me how I install the screen protector and the phone case, make sure you stick around for the next video. Until next time, this is IT guy Sav signing off. You take care and hope to see you soon in one of my future videos. Bye for now.